Lockout, tagout, or LOTO, is a critical safety procedure used in workplaces where machines and energy are involved. Every year, serious accidents happen when equipment is serviced without isolating dangerous energy. LOTO makes sure energy sources are identified, shut down, locked, and tagged before work begins. It's about control, accountability, and saving lives. Think about electrical panels. If they are not locked and tagged, someone could switch them on while another worker is repairing the machine. The result could be electric shock, burns, or worse. With LOTO, the breaker is isolated, locked, and tagged, clearly showing who is working on it. That lock becomes a barrier against tragedy. Mechanical energy is also a danger. Imagine a worker cleaning rollers in an industrial machine. If the machine restarts unexpectedly, the worker could be crushed. LOTO ensures the rollers are isolated, locked, and all stored energy is released before cleaning. Hydraulic and pneumatic systems carry hidden risks. A crane operator who skips LOTO may cause the hydraulic system to move unexpectedly, trapping a coworker. Pneumatic air pressure, if not released, can cause tools to fly or injure workers instantly. By locking valves and bleeding air, these dangers are removed. Chemical and thermal energy can be just as deadly. An unlocked chemical valve may leak toxic gas. Steam pipes not locked out can burn anyone nearby. With proper LOTO, locks, tags, and verification, workers are protected. The steps of LOTO are simple but powerful. First, prepare for shutdown by identifying all energy sources. Second, switch off the equipment. Third, isolate the energy with breakers or valves. Fourth, apply locks and tags with the worker's name. Fifth, release stored energy like pressure or heat. Sixth, verify that the machine cannot restart. And finally, perform the work safely. Remember, only the worker who placed the lock and tag can remove it. Real incidents show why LOTO matters. A conveyor restarted during cleaning because it wasn't locked out. The worker was badly injured. In another case, a steam line burned a technician when isolation was skipped. These accidents could have been prevented with one simple step: proper lockout, tagout. Safety is not about rushing, it's about certainty. A lock and a tag may take minutes to apply, but they can save lives forever. Even one shortcut, one skipped step, or one missing lock can cost everything. Always remember, no lock, no work. Every lock, every tag, every check is a promise that workers go home safe at the end of the day. And safety is not just personal, it's teamwork. Supervisors must check, co-workers must respect the locks, and everyone must support the system. Verification is also key. Never assume a machine is safe until you test and confirm that energy has been fully isolated. Trusting without testing has led to too many preventable injuries. Double-checking takes seconds, but it gives everyone confidence that the workplace is safe. Behind every rule is a human story. Families wait for their loved ones to return home after work. LOTO is not just a regulation, it's a safeguard for those families. When we take it seriously, we protect more than workers. We protect futures, relationships, and lives. Lockout, tagout controls energy, prevents accidents, and most importantly, it saves lives. Follow it every time without exception, because your life and the lives of others depend on it.